5G Essentials, Lecture, and Practical Hands-on Training.
Getting skilled in 5G technology means achieving success for your business. You can unlock each and every opportunity.
Group training is available online, on-site and live online.
Learn 5G services, 5G slicing, NFV and SDN, containers and Kubernettes, RAN, 5G New Radio, Northeast, Cloud RAN.
Hi there, welcome to Tonex official YouTube channel. This 5G Essentials course designed for technical and project managers planning to use 5G services, engineers and testers looking for more in-depth 5G technical details. In fact, anyone else new to 5G mobile.
Learning opportunities. You'll get benefits from this training. Learn about 5G services, 5G use cases, enhanced mobile broadband, URLLC and massive IoT, 5G NSA and SA architecture, network slicing, 5G access technology, Cloud RAN, O-RAN, and vRAN, 5G service-based architecture, SBA, 5G REST APIs, 5G New Radio, NR, Voice over NR, VoNR and more. Got a query? Do not hesitate to ask. Ask a question today.
Did you know Tonex offers more than hundreds 5G training, courses and certifications? See all courses. Thousands of businesses and professionals love the way Tonex trained them. Why not you? Why not now? Sign up for 5G Essentials training. Log on to www.tonex.com.